Let's talk about translating sentences. When translating sentences, you want to pay attention to the key words that are given. For example, difference. Difference is the key word for subtract. So if you see the difference of something, you want to subtract. More than is add. Than is going to be a key factor in translating to a numerical expression. Quotient is when you divide. Decreased is going to be subtract. Product will be multiplication. Less than is subtraction. Again, pay attention to the word than. That's going to be important. Fewer is subtraction. Sum is addition. Squared is multiplication. Oh. Even cubed would be multiplication. From is considered a flip word along with than. So if you have, we'll give examples of this, but it basically means that you are flipping the numerical expression. So it's the other direction. So if it's x plus 5, now it's 5 plus x. So let's look at a few examples. Write a numerical expression for each verbal phrase. The difference of 17 and 3. You want to work from left to right. So difference, you know, is subtraction. 17 comes first and then 3. So the difference of 17 and 3. 11 more than 6. Than is a flip word. So if I look left to right, 11 more than 6, usually I would say 11 plus 6. But because of this flip word, I'm going to say 6 plus 11. So make sure you always look for flip words. The sum of 8, 20, and 35. Again, work left to right. The sum means you're adding. 8 comes first, then 20, and then 35. The quotient of 40 and 8. Quotient is division. 40 comes first, so that's on the top, and then 8 will be in the denominator. Pause the video and try 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Look at the following answers. Problem 5. 100 decreased by 25. From left to right, I know I'm subtracting because it says decreased by 100 minus 25. 3 more than 1/2. 1/2 is a fraction. You're adding 3 because this is your flip word, than. The product of 20 and 30. Left to right, 20 comes first, then 30. Do not write 20 times 30 like this. You don't want to have the misconception that that is an x. 5 less than 50. If I work left to right, it is 5 minus 50, but you have a flip word. So it's 50 minus 5. 17 subtracted from 30. you have a flip word. If I work left to right, it's 17 minus 30, but you need to flip that. Number 10, 25 squared decreased by 6. Decreased by is subtraction. 25 squared is 25 to the power of 2 minus 6. Ask your teacher if you have any questions. Please remember, since you are translating, you must have the exact translation. If you have these backwards, it will be considered wrong.